If you have a 2017 Chevy Silverado with the 5.3 engine and 6-speed automatic 6L80E transmission and are interested in changing your own transmission fluid, then check out this video for all the inside tips and tricks that mechanics use to perform this job effectively. First things first, anytime you work around the transmission, you will want to make sure the e-brakes are set and your wheels are chalked. Next, you will want to remove the transmission check stick. Then the mechanic will get underneath of the truck and locate the transmission pan. As you can see here, he shows that there is little clearance for the pan to come out, but we will show how to do that later. Start removing all of the 10mm bolts that hold the pan on. Be sure to have a pan ready to catch the old fluid that comes out. As you can see here, the pan is stuck on the exhaust. The mechanic will now take a pry bar to push down on the exhaust just enough to let the pan slide past the valve body. Be sure not to force the pan either, because you could damage the plastic TCM inside. Now you can remove the transmission filter. These can be tricky to get out and sometimes will require a small pry bar to remove. Next, we will inspect the pan. As you can see, the fluid is dirty and used, but the pan itself is fairly clean. I see no metal shavings or clutch debris that we should worry about at this time. You can see what new fluid looks like on the bench compared to the old fluid in the pan. We can now install the new filter. Make sure that the filter is placed in the correct spot so it is not smashed between the pan and transmission control module. To give a better example, the mechanic is showing how the filter should be installed. As you can see, the tall part of the filter is in between the TCM and neutral safety switch. Now, with a clean pan and new pan gasket, we are ready to install. With the pry bar on the exhaust, carefully slide the pan back on the transmission. Then torque the pan bolts to 80 inch-pounds. With some cleaner and a rag, clean off any old transmission fluid that's spilt on the exhaust or cross member. We are now ready to add our transmission fluid. It is recommended to use Mobil 1 full synthetic LVA-TFHP. With the vehicle level and in park, we will add 4 quarts before starting. Now, with the vehicle still level and in park, we will start the truck and add fluid until full. These will typically hold between 6 and 7 quarts. As you can see here, the transmission fluid level is between the cool and hot marks. We will now drive the truck until it has reached operating temperature, then check it again. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.